Twitter. Viewers, as you're watching now, click on the like button, drop your comment, and also make sure you share this program to others. Subscribe if you are watching for the first time. No Tinubu in 2027 in Edo State, as angry youth in Ekpoma, Edo State stormed the streets to protest the alarming rise in kidnappings, tearing down APC campaign billboards as they voiced their outrage and demanded urgent action. What do you have to say about this?
I think it has gotten to a point that Bola Ahmed Tinubu should not worry about a re-election. A lot of people are already calling that he should, in fact, adopt Obi as the next president of Nigeria. If you look at what is happening in Edo State, if you look at some of these states that has become APC-dominated states, the northern jihadists have found those states as a base of safety to carry out their nefarious activities. Imagine a situation where many Edo people, citizens, are being kidnapped on a daily basis. Now, it's not even going to the market they are now going into their houses one after another, carrying out these activities. I remember, some time ago, there was this issue of, Fulani infiltration in Edo State, where there was almost an uprising. The youth of that state actually tried to see how they can, defend themselves on the process. All of a sudden, we saw I don't know how to describe the governor now. For me, I think Mondo Obelo has become a threat to Edo citizens. A threat to Edo citizens? Yes, because ever since he came into power as governor in the Edo State, we have seen the entire Oba in the Benin Kingdom, the Oba Palace, in so many crises. That has never happened before. Imagine a man was, reduced to nothing, linked to one Pedro like that. This has not happened. Even to that extent, they were not even afraid to take that man as naked as he is, to the palace. They wouldn't have opened the gates for them, because this is not normal. We have not seen this kind of thing happening within the royalty of the Benin Kingdom. We've not seen it happen in recent times. We've not seen it happen. These things are happening under this very, man. And so far, so good. I think Mondo Obelo has become, or is becoming, the worst governor ever in Edo State. The worst governor ever? Yes, ever ruled, in that state. Because we are seeing it very clearly. And this thing has, the youth of that state has transferred a certain anger to him, and of course, to the president of the country, Bola Ahmed Tinubu. As you watch on this video, you can see the background of what is already happening. Edo State has finally collapsed. We didn't see this thing happening under, no matter what it is, under Oshomole. We didn't see this thing, breathing so badly under Obaseki. We'll see this because when they were telling them about APC controlled states. Nigerians doesn't know what is happening. But now in APC, we have 28 governors present in APC now, and which all of them are promising their state to Bola Tinubu in 2027. Which Monday Okpebolo is even among them, promising Tinubu that he won't do Edo State to him, and now the citizens are acting this way. Yes, and they still deliver the state. See, I doubt what is going to happen in 2027. Definitely, there might not be no election. There might not be APC in Asuro. Yes, there might not be APC in Asuro in 2027 because this Monday Obelo, focusing on Edo State as a reference point, made it very clearly that he will single-handedly, whether by omission or by commission, where there is an election or no election, they have the INEC and they have there's no need of even voting. But I can tell you what I'm seeing currently now in Edo State, the youth of that state are definitely going to resist any form of rigging, because it is only rigging that can deliver Edo State to another Fulani party. And I can tell you that what all these states that have become APC state, from the south region down, all of them are behaving as if, they have been infected with Fulani DNA virus. Look at what is happening in River State, the same thing. Look at what is happening in Abuja State, the same thing. Look at what is happening everywhere. And having said that, yes, that anytime you see APC, look at what happened in Akwa Ibom just a few months ago. They are already there, and there is a series of warning, even from the northern people, citizens, Hausas or whatever, those who does not believe are aligned with this, conquest agenda, are telling the whole South region or Southeast region or the entire Eastern Bloc that, once they are done with the North, that of course, South will be a total walkover. So what I think it has gotten to a point now that the youth of Edo State have started sensing, something very strange happening in Edo State. Things that have never happened before. We are gotten to extent that, on daily basis, kidnapping and killing are taking place. Edo State. And you can see now there is mass, revolt going on now in Edo State by the Edo State youth. Anything that has to do with car within the town, within the villages, all nooks and crannies, they are mobilizing, and you can see it. They are chasing anything cow, because cow has been the basis, the reason. Grazing has always been the reason the Fulanis are using, to infiltrate areas to carry out their jihadist agenda. And there has been series of advocacy to stop this grazing, and they have not stopped at this moment. And that is why that the Edo youths now have taken it upon them. Even some of them, you can hear at the background what some of them are saying. They don't want to be part of Nigeria anymore. They don't want to be aligned with anything that has to do with Nigeria. And I have listened to so many Edo youths, saying it very clearly. They are not going to join anything that has to do with the northern aspect, or even Yoruba. They are going to align with Biafran struggle at the end of the day. And that is what they're saying, because they fear that they cannot be able to handle the ravaging Fulani Militia in form of headers. Fulani militias are headers. They are the bandits. They are the kidnappers. They are the people, chasing people from their communities and taking over subsequently.
But if I may ask, you said the other time that viewers that are watching now, click on the like button, make sure you drop your comment and also share to others. Subscribe if you are watching for the first time. We said the other time that Edo youth will not allow INEC to rig the election for a Fulani party anymore. So if I may ask, who is the Fulani party?
Of course, yes. Nigerians may not be able to agree with that. Ever since APC came into power, right from the days when Buhari came in, they had the El-Rufai, the Bararaje, the Gumis, all of them. We are involved in bringing in terrorists in Nigeria. That's what their brothers are even saying. So that APC now they formed, they don't hand over the organ of herdsmen, which is Buhari, Muhammad Buhari, as the leader. So they know definitely why they brought Buhari, and they collaborated. Well, Tinubu and the rest of them were part of it. All the Yorubas were part of it. They can't tell me that they don't know what the APC is all about. And remember too that foreign nation, a foreign court has passed judgment on APC as a terrorist organization and not even a party. That alone is a total write-off on the reason why the Edo youths are insisting that we will not have APC again in that state. That APC is a quoted party with Fulani Militia operating under the disguise. Because if you look at when they forced resistance by the Edo youths, yes, I celebrate Edo youths, in that regard. The governor ran to the Sultan of Sokoto to kneel down and beg him. even though there's a proof that those who were caught inside a trailer had enough arms loaded in the trailer there, and they were disarmed by the Edo youths. Now, we are even hearing that those who are protesting in Edo State now, that the police has started making arrests, going to house to bundle them out and order. What type of leadership has APC brought to Nigeria? What type of country has Nigeria become? What are we going to talk about when there is no security? How will we now discuss the sovereignty of this nation when the citizens who are sovereignty themselves cannot longer protect or defend themselves simply because one Fulani DNA governor is there sitting down? I think Edo State are feeling embarrassed because they know that we are not the among the people was not voted. It was imposed. Yes, on the Edo people, and that's why I said their rigging machine is there. INEC can do it for them unless the Edo people wake up and resist INEC and the judiciary, because that is only the tool they can use to continue this Islamization agenda, which some southern political leaders are already part of.
But if I may ask you this in conclusion, what is this kind of situation? What kind of message is it trying to pass to other states?
Of course, I believe that there is a mass uprising against APC as a party
in all states.
Yes, there should be mass uprising against APC as a party. This is under this APC. We have seen the first time in the history of Nigeria bombs from US landing in the northern part of the country. We have seen so many atrocities happen under this APC. It was the same APC that went to Kenya to kidnap Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. A lot of things. And what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was talking about, even telling Edo people, I think now they have seen that the Igbo man is not their problem. All this sentiment about the Igbo people, anywhere you see them, this Igbo, go and find out yourself now, whether in any way or either by omission or commission, whether you have seen Igbo people terrorizing any region, any state in the country. What Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was bringing to the table, unfortunately, some people are seeing it here. We are not talking about those generations that has, destroyed Nigeria. We are talking about the Gen Z generation who are likely going to take destiny of this nation. They are seeing it very clearly that the Fulani Militia has infiltrated everywhere. The killing and kidnapping that you see that happening in Edo State is as a result of having a terrorist party with a terrorist DNA governor, Fulani DNA governor. It is done, and that is what they are trying to do in other states now. Why are all these governors decamping to APC? Is because that what the caliphate, anything the northern Fulani decide, they impose it on any leader.
Anything the northern Fulani.
Yes, anything the northern Fulani decide, they impose it on the rest of the region. And the only resistant voices that are against this political dangerous moves that is happening in Nigeria today is only Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
But in a nutshell, are you saying the Fulani, the northern politicians, are the ones controlling the politics in general in this country?
Yeah, of course. Now, if you look, I don't want to talk about the underground, the unseen network that is going on even before election takes place. If they unveil it, if they throw it public, Nigerians will definitely be able to know their enemies. The United States of America have the list of Boko Haram sponsors in Nigeria. They have the list. Those in Abuja today are also involved. So it's a very clear thing, that we have gotten to that point that Nigerians are becoming aware of what Nigeria is to the Igbos and what Igbos is to Nigeria compared with the activities of the Fulanis in Nigeria currently now.
Okay, viewers, as you're watching now, click on the like button Make sure you drop your comment and also share this program to others. Subscribe if you have not subscribed, if you are watching for the first time. God bless you and have a nice day. Thank you, sir. God bless you again.
Why you gotta see my videos now? Why you gotta see my videos? Why you gotta see my videos? Why you gotta see my videos? You can't see me with that one. Why you gotta see my videos? 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 Why? Why you gotta see my videos? Why? Why you gotta see my videos? Why you can't see my videos? Why you can't see my videos? Why? I don't see my video. Why? I don't see my video. Mad? I don't see my video. Why you see my videos? You don't see my videos. I don't see my video. Why you see my videos? Why you see my videos? Come on for here. I don't see my video. Why you see my videos? You mad?